Boom. All right, let's get started. So let me share my screen with you guys. I'll be up tonight. I need to see all those magic the market have been doing. I hope you guys caught this. I posted this. You know, there's something I want to talk about again. And guys, if anyway, one way or the other, my internet is lagging, just let me know in the chat so I can switch internet because I want you guys to get everything I'm saying. So once you notice I'm lagging, just someone should let me know in the chat. If I'm lagging, don't let me know if your own internet is not good though. Now telling me I'm lagging. At the end of the day, it's yours. Okay, so if I'm lagging, someone should please let me know. Thank you. So this I wanna start getting involved in this. Like this happened in the night. And this was a good 50 pips here. Okay. This one also. So I'm going to switch internet now. I'm trying to switch internet. I don't want anything to distract us. That's why. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to switch internet. Okay. Hold on. I think this one is faster and better. All right. We are good. All right. Let me accept this. All right. We are good. All right. So can someone tell me what's happening on EU right now? What is happening on EU? Someone let me know in the chat. What can you see that is happening on EU right now? Yeah, it's clear. Someone should let me know what's happening on EU right now. Please, guys, I'm expecting quick replies, so we'll move on. Because it doesn't have to be coming from me all the time. Correction, perfect. Bullish flag type of correction. Yeah, perfect. So guys, you can see obviously, this is just very simple stuff. Know when price is correcting and know when price is moving impulsively. The money is all yours. Simple stuff. Okay? The money is all yours. In terms of entry, we'll get to that. So we're going to do some analysis now. And just like you guys just have to watch me marking up on this section. And when I'm done with that, I'll talk about entries. So I just have to get rid of everything first. My watch list is empty now for the day. Remind you, I'm doing watch list for tomorrow, but I have to start from tonight. I'll take trades from tonight because I want to be trading Asian now. So first thing I always do, I go to the DXY first and erase everything. I want to check how yesterday candle closes. Very important. Now, what do you notice? Are you guys with me? Let me know in the chat if you are with me. Just quick yes. Quick yes if you are with me. All right, perfect. Thank you. So guys, you can see, what did I notice first? I came to the daily time frame to see how yesterday candle closes, and the DXY usually take time. So it's going to close in 1 hour, 33 minutes. So I know this is going to close bearish. And look at the candlestick formation. Let me know what candlestick formation is that on the DXY. These are the things I pay attention to. What candlestick formation is that? Let me know in the chat, please. What candlestick formation is this now? Because we're closing in 1 hour, 30 minutes time. Shooting star, perfect. So this tends to do what? Push the market to the downside. I was neutral when we had a bullish candle there. I was neutral on DSY. That means I don't have any setup. I'm looking for a buying or a selling opportunity. Anyone that presents itself on lower time frame. So I'm looking for it when the next day. That's why I said I'm neutral, because the previous day candle was bullish I'm supposed to be bullish only if we had an engulfing candle there. If that bullish candle engulf, then my next day bias is going to be what? It's going to be, they say they don't hear me. Repeat. Can you guys hear me? Yeah, I'm lying down. Let me sit up like an office man. Can you guys hear me now? Yeah, everybody can hear me. I believe it's your phone. Bobby, if you can't hear again, I will break your head. Don't come to that chat again now. Everybody they hear only. So guys, do you understand? Because this candle is going to close, I'm going to check it back later. But let's assume it's a pin bar. It's going to close like a shooting star, just like what it's trying to do. Yeah, I'm going to be bullish, just like I was saying. Assuming this particular candle right here was an engulfing or a strong pin bar, like more like this, came above, came to the downside, and then rejected back. I'll be bullish if that happened here. Okay? Just like here, you can see previous candle, what happened? Engulf. We started to look for buy. We are buying until we see something else. Okay? Previous candle did what here? Daily candle. Previous candle. That was a strong candle, almost over 50% of the previous candle. Okay? We're still looking for a buy. Came up looking for a buy. This gave us a good confirmation to look for a buy the next day. And then what happened? So we had an engulfing again. Bearish engulfing to the downside. We're looking for sell. Even if this is a bullish candle, what is that? It's a shooting star. So we're still looking for sell, even if it's closed bullish. Sell. I'm giving you guys a tip right now that you can use to like be ahead of the market the following day. I hope I'm recording this. So I believe I did. Click on record. Okay. What happened here on daily time frame? Bullish engulfing. We look for buy. See, we see rejection again. Bullish engulfing. The next day we are looking for what? Buy. Bearish engulfing. Sell. There's a pullback. Evening star formation. We started to look for sell. We are selling until we get a daily reversal candle. Abi? Until a daily candle closes strong. Do you guys get what I'm trying to say with all of this? Let me see on the chat box if you are learning something new. Please let me know. I want to make sure you guys are following because I want to open your eyes on a lot of things tonight, especially when it comes to entries. If we have time, we're going to do that. Depend on you guys if you give me quick response. Perfect. So you can see how trading is easy. On all currency pair, anything you are trading, same thing. Where are we in the market? What happened here? We are coming up. After this twins up formation, what happened? We started to buy. Buy the next day. Oops, we saw a bearish candle. Is this a reversal candlestick formation? No, we are still bearish. We are still bullish. Or worst case scenario, we're going to say we're going to be neutral in the market because of that. It didn't engulf. Just a small candle there, a red candle, doesn't mean we start selling. We can stay neutral if we want to, but we are still bullish. The following day, buy. Next day, we are bullish, still bullish until what happened? Boom, bearish engulfing. Alaye, daily candle bearish engulfing. We are selling. Indecision candle, you want to stay neutral, fine, but I'm still bearish. Okay, we still bearish. Strong bearish candle. The following day, going to be bearish. Definitely. And then we have a bullish candle. Boom. Did it engulf? No. What did it give us? More like a shooting star. So we are still going down. We are bearish the following day, bearish the following day. Still bearish on this day until we have a closure, a bullish engulfing closure. Okay? Now we bullish now. Same thing on every chart. Go and back test. Same thing everywhere. Strong bullish. The following day, what happened? We are looking for buy. We started to buy. Oops. Daily candle closes with a pin bar. Strong one. We are looking for sell the following day. Oh yeah, bearish flag on lower time frame. We are going to look for bearish flag on lower time frame. Same thing keep happening. We are neutral all through. Price is moving sideways. Strong bullish engulfing. Let's start to look for buy. The following day, buy. Moving sideways, wait for breakouts, strong breakouts. This day we're going to look for sell. What happened? Price gap up, closes bullish, strong one, followed by a pin bar. We're looking for buy. Buy. See, we see a shooting star there. So we go back to sell. Like this is just something you can add to whatever you are doing. You can see, not be magic. This is it. Oh yeah, like it's everywhere on your charts. Not be me put on there. Look at all those strong candles. Like daily candles is gonna give you clue. Are you learning something new? Okay. All right. So that's just by the way. That's just one thing you have to put in mind. And that's what I always put in mind. So because I can see this candle has what? A strong wick and what? A shooting star. In the next 1 hour, 20 minutes, we are closing. If we close like this, and tomorrow we have a very, very important news on the USD FOMC, Baba, with price action, at least I have one thing now to back my analysis up because the previous daily candle is a shooting star or whatever I want to call it. That means tomorrow I'm looking for a sell on FOMC. Yes, we might get a reversal bullish candle because we need to see this DXY reverse. To be honest, we are trading in an oversold environment, but we just have to make adjustments with the market. We are not the ones controlling the market. If they say they want to keep going down, we just have to keep doing what they say. Okay, we have to follow them. So with today candle, what are they telling us? They are telling us that Alaye wants to still go down. Are we coming down to this low? I don't know. Are we going to reject from here tomorrow and go to the upside? I don't know. Just like Mark Douglas always say, you don't have to know what's going to happen next to make money. Once you see your setup, go in. That's it. Good risk management, you're in. So I'm seeing this pin bar now and I say, oh, tomorrow I'm bearish. Okay? Because we are going to close like this, shooting star rather. Okay, so let's go to what I'm going to do now. I'm going to start identifying structures, the ones that is close to price and where is price coming from. You can see. Now, what did price do? Another thing I'm going to say, impulsive move to the upside, I'm going to draw impulse move to the downside. So if you are looking at this thing now, like, forget about everything that's happened here already. So let's focus on this. We have an impulse move to the upside and an impulsive move to the downside. So where are we going to say, oh, momentum is in the market? I want to see it on the chart. Please let me know if you are wrong, you are wrong. Where are you going to say there's momentum in the market? Is it bullish or momentum is at the bearish side? I just wish I'm not recording this call. If you miss it, you miss it. Because I say I want to teach you guys a lot of important things. There's a difference between watching like when you are watching the section live, when you are live on the section, than watching recordings later. Trust me, there's a big difference. Even if I know my mentor is going to record shows, I still make sure I join the live section. And even after the live section, I'll go back to watch the recordings. I was live on the section, I'll still watch recordings. Because you're going to learn. Don't draw on my screen, please. I beg you in the name of God. You have your own screen. If after this webinar, you can draw your bullish flag or anything, please help us to erase it. I beg you in the name of God, please don't draw on the screen. The person that is in there, you can just help us to erase it. I beg you. Okay, please, so we can continue. I beg you in the name of God. Thank you. God bless you. So God bless you, bro. Thanks. So on the chat box, everybody is saying bearish. Yes, because that is where the last impulse. Come to the chat and look for impulse. Any time frame. That's how I make money. I wait for impulse, catch the correction. Simple. That's how I make money. Like, I don't want to stress my head. Some people, they have their own way of trading. They say this is V, this is A, B, C, this is 1, 2, 3, this is D and C. Like, all those things are irrelevant for me. Like, you just need to know what is an impulsive phase and a corrective phase. Like, simple. It's that simple, to be honest. It's that simple. I have a signal group I'm running. Like, there's no special secret strategy that I'm using to call out the trade. It's the same thing I'm teaching you guys on this live webinar. That's the same thing I'm using. This is what I'm trading with. This is what is working for me. It's working for a lot of people also. Okay? So I'll start using trend line to see if I can connect anything. And this is irrelevant to me because this is a daily time frame. We're gonna wait for days for this to come here. And we are trying to make money today. We are trying to make money off this candle the next day. So this is irrelevant for now. I'm going to connect just to see what happened. Price gave us a deep correction. Sometimes I don't send all of this markup to you guys because I believe you guys would know about this already. Like I just go to 1 hour just to show you. If I do a top-down analysis and send to you guys, it's a different thing. So what are we seeing here now? Impulse down, massive correction, and then we started to crash from there. Okay. Another thing you want to pay attention to is the impulsive leg from here to where this started from right here. We still have more rooms. You can see this is where we started to break out. That's the last high. So we still have more rooms to come to the downside if you measure that impulse on daily time. So we are likely to see tomorrow candles we get to here, at least if you want to start going up. But we don't know where it's going next. We don't know if we're going to keep crashing to the downside. We are just using price action. Okay. So now we have this candle that's going to close shooting star in the next 1 hour, 20 minutes, hopefully. And then we have our impulsive leg. And we clone our impulsive leg. And we can see, from the previous impulse out of the correction bus, we haven't even covered almost everything. And we are looking into like seeing price to cover everything. Price have to come. So we have two things now telling us that price is likely to come down tomorrow during FOMC or before FOMC. But mind you, this is just a bias or something. Doesn't have to, it doesn't have to work that way. What did I just do? Finish. I think I just messed up my screen. Hold on, let me try to get it back. Where's my... Shush. Hold on, guys. I just messed my screen up. But I hope this is making sense to you guys. Please, this is making sense. It's supposed to be. Man, what did I do just now? Can't find my... Okay. Where are you? I'm trying to look for my Chrome, Google Chrome. To be honest, I can't find it. Shit. It's on my screen and I can't find it. A lot of files are open. I'm opening Chrome, you just keep showing me Zoom. I don't want to end the call and come back. Wahala day for me. Which kind of devil be this one? Hold on, guys, please. I'm sorry about this. This is taking our time now. I know Sabi operate laptop again. Oh, wow. Okay, let me quit it and let me open back again. Yeah, it's painful. I have a lot of unfinished business on today. Okay, we're back. We are back. Thank you. Let's come back. Let me share again. I don't even know where I stopped. Waiting, I've been a talk before, my guys. My guys. Waiting, I've been a talk before. Yeah, I saw this. I wanted to post this on the group. I posted, we had this earlier on. So I was like, we had a breakout of this hairtime. We're going to get a flag and then break. Then later I saw this. I took this trade. I took GU today, but I didn't post it in NF9. Because I post EU though. That's why I didn't post it. I saw this scoop. That's why you have to involve with the market. I saw the scoop with rejection. I just went to 15 minutes and then I got involved. Yeah. And that's why I took it on the breakout. Pending order, got activated. The rest is history. Where I stop for which we talk about before that thing happened, please. I was saying something important to you guys. I was explaining something important. I remember. But I don't remember which side to explain again. Well, on the DXY, where did I stop? Yeah, DXY. And I was on daily time frame. Yeah, I was showing you guys how I mark up. Yeah, daily time frame. Thank you. So you guys can see all the socks, all the sauce and juice I'm trying to put together to find a trade. These are a markup. These are the things I look for. Okay, I've seen this big corrective phase and we are breaking out. And I can see at least we have more rooms to come down to at least here due to the measurement of the previous impulsive leg. Okay, and somewhere around here we'll have more room to come. Now I just have to go and find my way in this trade. 4 hours. What can I see on the 4 hour? We have an impulse here. Yeah, I was looking at 618 for flag rejection. That was because I've seen a setup play out like that from market open, and then we just keep going higher. But it is what it is. This is a mad huge. I saw this and I'd be like, man, we're gonna correct this on 4 hour, which we did. Created a flag. I posted this before the breakout. We have a 4 hour flag already, and then price breaks out impulsively again. Gave us a 4 hour pin bar. Come on, what do you expect? I saw that 4 hour pin bar and I'd be like, oh man, this is confidence that EU is going to go up. So like that's an additional confidence. So I'm going to be awake tonight, and because my guy Teslim wants to sell GU and me, I want to buy GU. So we're going to know who's right or wrong today. And looking at ZXY, I can see an impulsive move here. And why I'm not going to sleep tonight is because what the Asian section is doing. I don't like waking up to see 50 pips, 60 pips movement. Okay. So what I'm doing on DXY, I'm waiting for a flag to form. I need a second rejection of this flag. I need a second candle to come and then reject to the 20 EMA. I'll be looking at 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. I'll be awake to observe that. Let me see what's going to happen tonight because we die here for this forest. So I'm looking for a potential bearish flag on DXY, 20 EMA. It's very, very obvious to at least the impulsive leg, and stop loss is going to be above flag as usual. But let's see how the last leg going to be. With this, we can trade all DXY, and we can trade all DXY impulse ahead of FOMC. But mind you, price action might change tomorrow. Yeah, somewhere around there. Price action might change tomorrow, and we'll be looking for a buy. That's how the market is for you. You can see something like impulse now out of the 20 EMA, and then we're looking to continue buying. So that's why you have to be prepared. That's why sometimes you see I'll post an analysis like, oh, buy this, buy 618, but I'll be selling it. Are you not wondering how? Because lower time frame created a new structure, and I just have to involve with the market. But for now on DXY, we'll be looking at that 618. Just like Euro is doing vice versa of DXY. So, and there's no point going into details, doing the whole top analysis. I'm looking to buy EU again, though I've closed all my position because, you get why, now Nigeria with the, won't go see money, may market collect your money. So I had to close all my position because Igbo people will say in Kenjika, man. The one I hold now is very, very important. So I was looking at two things earlier on today on EU. This is an impulse down, more like an head and shoulder kind of, but not really a perfect one. And then we had a channel right here, and then a breakout. But I was paying attention to that breakout because we need to correct. Even the breakout was not enough for me. I was still expecting price to come down. You can see how patient I'm very, very patient before executing the trade. That's why sometimes I'll miss a trade. I don't care. Why? Because the confirmation was not there for me. I need to see my confirmation before I enter. That's why let it drop. I don't care if it's dropping. Like, let it drop more, and then I'll look to take the correction, and we're going down. But the way it dropped, I knew we're going to reject. That's why I sent you guys the markup again, because I told you guys earlier, if you check the previous post, we are looking at 618 or we are looking a breakout of channel. So it was a breakout of the channel, but how did it break out? Yeah, I see. I missed this, but I was able to still get involved. I missed this perfect entry because I didn't set a limit order on 618 or I didn't go down to 5 minutes. I used 5 minutes these days to snipe my entry in and to get this. This was a lovely entry though. That was a pin bar on 618. And impulse, just in case you're wondering, I took it from the previous structure right here and also the high right here. And then 618 normal level. Stop loss is going to be where? Stop loss is going to be few pips below 786. TP1 going to be the high right here. Sorry, the high, and then TP2 you can measure the impulse. The high right here, you can use the high, this high. TP1 this high, okay? And then TP2, you can measure the impulse and clone it for TP2. Guys, am I making sense to you? Please let me know if I'm making sense. Always let me know, okay? So what we are looking for ahead of doing Asia Ascension, and we are looking to continue to buy. Maybe we're going to buy to London and we might start dropping for FOMC, but I don't know what FOMC is going to do. Why? Because we are not at London yet, okay? Because price action might change and we just have to do what price action is doing. That's why you don't marry your trend line or your analysis. You have to always stay neutral within the market. Like you have to accept when you are wrong, and when you see something developing, a new structure, guys, you just have to involve with the market. Okay, that's why I always advise people to use stop loss. Lately, I've been using stop losses. You guys know me, I don't use stop loss, but lately I've been using and it's really helpful. Like, there's no crime to take a loss, to be honest. Even if my entries are always on point, like I, I won't talk about entry, but I'm not sure we have time to talk about entry tonight. I'm gonna do a video on entry or another class talk about entries. Because I'm still trying to finish some videos also. Oh. So we're gonna buy flag, Baba. This is a bullish flag for me during the Asia section. Let's wait for 20 MA rejection and then we'll buy. TP at the top, stop loss below flag. It's your job to look for. You see, we have 5 minutes. We have just 5 minutes on this call. That will be EU. Let me post it here. So my watch list for tonight. We have just 5 minutes. But I want to show you guys something. If you are trading forex, do you know what's your job? Your number one priority. Don't risk too much. It doesn't make sense. Risk to reward ratio, like, should be everything. Risk to reward ratio should be your savior. If you don't know how to trade forex, but you know how to use this, you're gonna make money more than even a professional trader that is just trading without this. I swear to God, like, this gonna pay you money, risk to reward ratio. More than I've not released video on risk management. I just patient. I'll do that. I'll do that, risk management and trading plan. I'll do that. I have like more like 7 videos to drop on the course. Just give me some time, guys. A lot in my hands and a lot of work to do. So I'll talk about risk to reward ratio, and I'll give you guys 2 or 3 examples before we end this call, because this thing is very important. Now, see, this is a structure. I hope you guys can relate with this. We have less than 3 minutes. And see what happened. We have a breakout. Abi? Now, if you want to take the trade, and we have a high somewhere around here, if you want to take this trade now, because you can see, this is why people lose money, and I swear to God, you guys are all over my message, like sending me messages, but this is the mistake you guys make. Because you want to take this trade and this is your TP. Yeah, next structure is your TP1. That's where we have the next structure. You can see how it's already close there, it's already close to where your entry is going to be. I need to make this very clear. Guys, you want us to come back? Let's come back. And I'll have to post this one on my free YouTube, and I won't give the source out on the next one will be posted on NF9 Telegram. So I won't give this source ads for free on my for YouTube because I'm going to post this video there. So I'll end this call and then we'll have to come back. Okay. All right. So just join back immediately. So I'll give you guys that source.